Hi everybody. I'm going to explain um, how to launch an ec2 mission and how to connect. Before going to explain that procedure, what is the importance of cloud? Okay, so why we have lot of demand in the market? That is either for AWS, Azure, or GCP, whatever it may be. So one simple example: to construct a building, the first requirement it is land. So without land, okay, we are not going to implement anything. If you have money or something, if you have raw materials, manpower, correct, first requirement it is land. If you have the land, okay, so everything will become okay. So like that, for a software project, so what is the basic requirement in the sense? Server. On top of the server, you are going to install any application or something, correct? Then you need storage, network, database, remaining services, correct? So first requirement it is server. So before the cloud, okay, many companies they are using their on premises. They have their own data center. Now also many MNC companies they are going to implement their projects on their own premises even if you have the cloud. Okay, so some last 3 to 4 years, okay, so many people they are going to migrate, okay, all the projects into the cloud. Okay, fine. So what is the benefit in the sense here? Okay, so today your project was started, then you are going to take infrastructure from your cloud. Okay, billing will be start from today onwards, no need to invest your money before the project. Okay, time is saving and money is also saving, and you can get any service once you require. Okay, so that is the main advantage. Okay, so many people they are looking for cloud. See here, this is our dashboard. So okay, so I was logging to my AWS account. So we are under the Tokyo region. So you have different AWS regions. So region it is nothing but AWS is geographically separated as a region. Under one region you have different availability zones are there. Okay, example Mumbai is one of the region, and you have three availability zones are there. Availability zones are nothing but local data centers. Okay, local data centers. See here we are under the Tokyo region. Okay, so I'm going to um, launch a new ec2 mission. Okay, so ec2 mission it is nothing but a virtual mission or instance. We have different names, ec2 or something, whatever it may be. Okay, see, I'm going to see, this is ec2 dashboard. So if you need any service here, you can search s3 or sim or whatever it may be. Okay, rds, anything you will get from here. Okay, so okay, suppose if you need ec2 elastic cloud compute. Okay, so you are going to type ec2 and you able to see. Okay, fine. So here I'm going to click on launch instance. See here, instance, here is showing, okay, what are the number of missions are running, like that. Okay, here just I have only one mission, I was terminated, so it's showing. Okay, so running 0, everything it is 0 instances because it was stopped state. I was terminated, so it will be show up to some time. Okay, key pair here 1 and security groups 3. Okay, yeah, see, just you can click on launch instance. Okay, so first page here you are going to get, so you need to give the name of this mission. Okay, you can give anything, you can give web server or Tomcat or Docker, Kubernetes, anything, whatever it may be. Okay, so after giving namespace, second option it is application and OS image. It is Amazon mission image, AMI. It is nothing but an operating system or application server or applications or operating system, whatever it may be. You have different names. See, you have hardware. Okay, you are going to install some of the operating system, right? So like that. Okay, here you have, see, you have Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, so many things are there in the market. Okay, okay, So we are going to select anything, any one you can pick up. Okay, so you can select Amazon Linux or Mac OS, Ubuntu, anything. So first choice I am going to select Red Hat. Okay, here you have different versions. Okay, so you have different versions. So already defaultly I was selected 9. Okay, it is fine to me. And okay, you can come down, and here you have instance type. Okay, this is very important. See, T2 micro, they given free tier eligible. Free tier eligible in the sense it is nothing but up to 750 hours it is free in AWS free tier account. Okay, so only one CPU here you have, only one CPU here you have. Okay, so T2 medium is the 2 CPU. Okay, then the size will be increased, 3 CPU, 4 CPU, 5 CPU. Then the things will be like that, T2 extra large, T2 medium, T2 mid. So like that. Okay, this is T series. Okay, you have many series are there. Okay, uh, see, T2 nano, T, I mean this T series here we are not going to use in production. This is only for testing. Okay, so in real time you can use M series, C series. This is C series, C, CPU 8 CPU. Okay, and with that 32 CPU, 4 CPU. See, CPU will be increased in the sense the price also will be increased. Okay, yeah, C5, you can see here lot of things are there. Okay, C5, N4, N9, 18. Okay, so you have different. Okay, C6i. Okay, D series, G series, C64 CPU, 32 CPU. Okay, so you can use this type of classification in production. Okay, i3 is also there. Okay, and M series is there, M3 medium, 1 CPU, 2 CPU, M2 large. Okay, yeah, M5 extra large. You have different. Okay, but this is free tier account. Okay, they given only up to 1 CPU, I mean free tier eligible. See, this account is same like in real time account also. I mean, you will get confused. Okay, so I'm using this account in real time also. Account will be something will be different like that. Don't think like that. So everything, the appearance will be same like in real time also. Okay, so next, key pair. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so here key pair is there. Okay, key pair, it is nothing but suppose if you want to connect to your EC2 mission, uh, one key pair it is needed. If I have the key pair, I will connect. If you have the key pair, you also connect to that mission if you have the public IP and key pair. So don't share your key pair to anybody, a key pair and public IP. Okay, so this is, I mean, this is going to limit your access. Okay, key pair. See, I already has one key pair. Okay, so it's showing. Okay, Tokyo, I was generated previously. Okay, suppose if you want to create a new key pair, click on create new key pair. Okay, see, I will create a new key pair. My suggestion, don't create multiple key pairs in one region. Okay, complete in Tokyo region, one key pair is sufficient for n number of EC2 missions. You will get confused if you create number of, okay, key pairs. So for your see, I am going to create new key pair. Just I'm going to give name just new. Okay, new. Okay, otherwise simple names you can give, simple names, dev. Okay, see, RSA and PEM. I'm going to take PEM. This is PPK. Okay, I mean, suppose if you are going to use putty, you need PPK. So PEM, it is sufficient for me. So I'm going to click on create key pair. So automatically it is downloaded. Okay, into my location. Okay, so then coming to this network settings. Network settings, it is nothing but, okay, it is very important. Network, it is nothing but here you have default VPC will be there. Okay, present I am using default VPC. In real time we can use our own VPC. So that is different procedure how we can create our own VPC. VPC, it is nothing but a virtual private cloud. Okay, so what are the benefits in the sense, if it will, due to that VPC only, you able to connect your mission, you able to expose your application to the outside. Okay, without network what we can do? So nothing. Okay, so if you have the network, then you can do anything. Okay, so compulsory the network is very very important. So don't select subnet, auto assign, public IP, anything. Okay, so here the security group name. Okay, so launch wizard is also fine. Okay, no problem with that one. Okay, but if you give your own name, okay, suppose if you have 10 security groups, you can easily identify, you can easily identify. Okay, yeah. So then so I'm going to come down here. Inbound rules are there. I mean, we are going to allow some of the port numbers. Total port numbers are 65,536 port numbers are there. Okay, so here I'm going to allow SSH. SSH, it is nothing but secure shell. Okay, TCP, it is nothing but a transaction control protocol. Universally the SSH default port number, it is 22. Okay, universally the default port number of SSH is 22. If you are going to give that port number 22, okay, then only we are able to connect our EC2 machine. Okay, otherwise we are not able to connect. Here you have anywhere custom my IP. I'm going to give anywhere, but in real time it is preferable to select custom my IP like that. Okay, suppose if I am going to open another port number, click on add security group rule. This custom TCP is there, right? Suppose if you select anything any other than custom TCP, okay, so it will take default its port number, but I need to type my own port number, then it is preferable to select custom TCP. So then here you can give 80. Why I am going to give 80 in the sense, suppose if I want to install any Nginx or Apache, the default port number is 80. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to allow this port number 80. Okay, so you can give any number according to your requirement. Then source type I'm going to give anywhere. So you can come down, storage is there. Okay, you can take up to 30, it is free. Okay, 10 GB it is sufficient for you. Okay, no need to take more space. Okay, if you need you can take 20 or 30 also, it's not a problem. Up to 30 it is free. Okay, so here you have advanced details, no need to go these advanced details. Okay, so at last you have that user data, that is also very important. Once you need to install any application without connecting to your EC2 machine, you can pass that script or something. Okay, Linux commands, all the Linux commands will be executed at the booting time of your EC2 machine. Okay, so this is second level. Okay, so as a beginner you are not going to get it. Okay, so leave that one. Then click on launch instance. See here number of instances is there, right? Suppose if you need to, just you can mention 2 or 3. Okay, like that. So one machine is sufficient to me, so I'm going to proceed launch instance. Okay, so here you can click on view all instances. Okay, see my machine is going to be creating. It will take at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, it will be ready. After once it will be ready, just you can select. Okay, see here you have details, security, networking, storage, status check, monitoring, tags. See in the details, okay, you can observe instance ID, public IP, private IP. Okay, public IP, private IP. In the security we have that security group ID. Okay, so please observe these things. Okay, these are very helpful for you, don't neglect all these things. Okay, suppose sometimes we need public IP and private IP, so you need to observe where we can get our public IP, private IP, in the sense in the details we have. Okay, good. So now I need to connect our mission. Click on connect. So you see here EC2 instance connect is there, session manager is there, SSH client. So I'm going to connect our mission through SSH. Okay, see at the fourth point below, example is there, SSH space -i dev.pem. So that is the PEM key name, EC2 -user at the date. This is public IP 54 20 249 149 26, correct? So I'm going to copy this one, so no need to drag like this. Okay, don't do like that, just you can click on this one, automatically it will be copied. So then I'm going to open my terminal. So this is my MacBook. Okay, so this is my MacBook terminal. Okay, I'm going to increase font. See, uh, if you are using your Windows lab, okay, then you need to download Git Bash terminal. Okay, so putty or something, whatever it may be, mobile extern. Okay, so that is very easy to install Git. Okay, so you also have that terminal. Okay, yeah, see, where is my PEM key? It isn't download, so I need to move to the download. CD, it is nothing but it is very important, change directory. Without using CD we can't do many things. Remember, CD, it is nothing but change directory. I want to move into the downloads location, then CD, it is helpful. LS, it is nothing but shortlist. It is going to display what we have inside the downloads location. Okay, ls, it is shortlist. Okay, using cd and ls, okay, if you are going to use it, if you are going to understand where we can use cd and ls, maximum you will understand many things completely. These are basics. Okay, see, I have my PEM key here. Got it? Okay, so now I'm going to give my ssh command. Okay, yeah, so enter. It is going to ask, you are the right person? Yes, I'm the right person to connect this mission. What is showing? Bad permission. So MacBook always, okay, it needs permission. See, just I'm giving chmod. Chmod, it is nothing but file permission. I am giving 400. 4, it is the user, 0, it is the group, and 0, it is others. Okay, read permission, I am going to give read, write, execute is there. Read, it is 4, write equal to 2, x equal to 1. So here read, that is read permission for the user I am giving. Okay, so dev.pem, enter. Okay, I was given permission, then I am going to try to connect. Okay, otherwise, see, I just, yeah, see, successfully I was connected to my ec2 machine. Okay, so how you can tell you successfully you connected to the ec2 machine? See, you're able to see this ip address 172.31.14.204. This is called a private ip address. So this is called dollar. In front of dollar you have the private ip address. If you have that private ip address and ec2 user, then we can tell, okay, successfully you connected to the ec2 machine. Got it? So what is dollar? It is nothing but a root user. Just you can type who am I, ec2 user. Just you can give who am I. Okay, ec2 user when it was created. See, if I need to change to root user, you need to give sudo space -i, enter. Got it? Yeah, then you can give who am I. Okay, root user. Okay, who am I. Here all Linux commands will be work. Okay, here it's showing ec2 user. Suppose just you can give calendar and date, everything will be work. Okay, so all Linux commands will be work from here. Okay, yeah. See here, if I want to install Nginx, what is Nginx? It is a web server. Okay, Nginx, Apache, both are web servers. I will explain how to install Nginx from this ec2 machine. See, you can use yum. What is yum? Log update modifier. See, suppose in case of Ubuntu mission, you can use apt. Okay, what will do yum? So it is going to take packages internally from your ec2 mission, not externally. Okay, okay, I'm not going to search anything from the Google, and I'm not going to take from the Google. Okay, directly I'm going to call the package from internally that ec2 machine. At that situation, you need to use yum. Okay, so you will understand. Okay, yum install Nginx. It is a web server. Okay, so Red Hat, it is going to search that package. Okay, now it is going to install. Yes, after that you can use immediately systemctl. It is a Linux command to start any service, to stop any service, to check the status of any service. Okay, so you need to enable fast start. Okay, Nginx. Okay, so enabled. Okay, then I'm going to give systemctl start Nginx. Okay, just I was started. I'm going to check whether it that Nginx it was installed or not, or running or not. Correct? It is active and running. Okay, so Nginx is showing active and running. Okay, see, now I'm going to Control C and enter. If you want to come out, Control C and enter. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, fine. Suppose if I want to check in browser, okay, how can I check? See, I want to quit from this because I want to open my browser. Something happened. So my screen was struck. Suppose if you want to search that Nginx from browser, okay, so you need to queue your public IP in browser. Okay, so then only you able to see I mean that Nginx. Okay, Nginx page. Okay, so just I was came out from my ec2 mission. Just I'm trying to come out.